Hello my lovelies, and today this is my first video, and I am Snipex12, and today I am not going to be playing the game. I'm just going to be telling you the logic of my YouTube account and what I'm going to be doing. I might feature some of my friends or buddies in my videos. I love to do skits, I don't know, but, I'd love if anybody would volunteer, and if they would love to be in my YouTube, in my videos. You can be in my videos, and my name is Emma, just to let you know, and I will be doing a face reveal at 50 subscribers, I need to use my, grammar, and, yeah, I don't know what else to say about my account. I will be working on a, intro, music video in the front of my video, after I get done doing this video. And I will be trying to put up another video after this one goes up. And I will be, I'm a new gamer, because this is my first account. See, I have nothing. But, yeah, this is my account, and I'll see you in the near future. Bye!